Hello and welcome back, or welcome for the first time. Either way, I'm super happy you're here. Today we are going to go over everything I got off on Temu. Super exciting. I think I spent like $42. And the only thing I don't have available to show you guys, because I already used them, is I did get these little containers. They are bigger than I thought, but I did get them to put samples into, so this is kind of what that works like. So I wish they were a little smaller, but I only got one package, so it's not that bad, and I can get smaller ones. So we are going to get into it. We got these stiletto tips, and they are already pre-etched, but I always etch the inside anyway. So I got these to make my daughter's press-ons. We'll see how they work. The pink on them it's not on all of them. These are so that I know her sizes, because I make her press-ons in advance. So we've got those. We've got this little, I think it is a stamping book. Or for water decals, or, oh, I could use, I think this is going to be for decals or stickers. Either way, I love having a storage place for that kind of stuff. I already have quite a few little stamping books with all my stamps in them. They're awesome. I think I got these off of Amazon. And then these I got from where? Temu, obviously. These I got for water slide decals, especially those longer ones. And I usually cut them down to put them in my other binder, but in this one I will not have to, so they're nice and long. And then I guess you fold it like this and put the string thing in. I'll figure all that out, but these are cool. I got two of these super cheap. And then I got these nail mats, which I'm actually excited to get. This is just, it needs to go. So, boom. Sorry, I'm probably causing little mini earthquakes every minute because I'm being really not careful, but this side is like perfect for like sticking down and not moving. And then I think this side, the powder hopefully won't stick to. I guess we'll find out, but hopefully this will work for what I'm wanting. And hopefully it won't be too bright for videos. That's kind of what I'm a little bit nervous of. If it is, then I won't use it. And, you know, it's not like I waste a lot of money because they don't cost a lot. So, yay to that. Then I got a big old package of lint-free wipes, which I love. So these will get thrown into this, which I love. Got this off of Amazon. I need to refill it, but basically boink and blink. Awesome sauce. I can't believe I just said that. Okay, so that is all of that stuff. Now let's get into the fun stuff. Nail art galore. Well, actually first I got a couple packs of these. So I do swatch dots on all of my dips so that when I'm looking for a dip, I can easily see what it looks like through that. And then I got 2 packs of these stiletto swatch sticks, and I use these for my ambassador dips that I get. I do swatch all those out, especially because I do a lot of manis with those, and that way I can just boom, look. And then I also like to do videos with them, and I just think the stiletto look better. All right, off to the next. So we've got this super, super, super beautiful mermaid powder. I think this was like, I don't remember, but it was like under $1 or maybe just over $1. And then I got this to, you know, how they'll do a color and then they'll like shade in some white or whatever. It doesn't matter what color. So I thought it came in a pack of more. It did not. I'm not disappointed. If I like it and it works really well, maybe I'll buy more, but I don't think this is something I will use super often. So it's not going to be a big deal. All right, let's get into all these. We got stickers and decals. So we got These cute little flowers, super cheap again. And they had a lot more colors, but I liked the pink, the black, and the white. So that's what I got. And then the little, basically little caviar bead, but I don't know if that's really what they are, but that's what they look like, and they're tiny. Just go in the center. So super cute. Super excited to wear these. If you don't like texture, these are not for you because you're not going to encapsulate those. And I don't think you'd want to. You want them to kind of stand out. So, and then we got these ones. We got these super, hopefully, yeah, I think you guys can see it okay. Super, super cute flower decals. Actually, I think these are stickers, and they are 3D, so they're going to, I mean, I'm sure you can encapsulate them if you want to. Encapsulate. Oh my gosh. Okay. Either way, super cute. We got these pretty little butterflies, and these are 3D as well, so there's gonna be some texture, but they're adorable. I cannot wait to use these. And we've got these, would have been perfect for Easter because they got the little bunnies, but they also have dragonflies, flowers galore, some little leaves. If I'm a simple nail art kind of person, I really, really like anything that I can just, it's already done for me and I can just apply it. I thought these would be really cute. I hopefully will use them, but they're stickers as well, and they're 3D. And then these are water slides, and it just came with this sheet. I think it's just one sheet. Yeah, we're gonna open it and find out. Pretty sure it's just one though. It feels like it's just one. Are we gonna open it? We are. And these I probably will cut down individually to package them, whatever. I have bent them a little bit. I'm kind of disappointed in that. These are so beautiful. I mean, they all are really, really cute. And these, again, super, super, super cheap. And this kind of gives that watercolor effect. I see it all the time and I'm like, how in the heck do you do that? And even if I could, they'd look like blobs on my nails. There's no way I could make them look like flowers. So I love this. I love these, super abstract right there too. And these. I really like all of these. I don't think there's one in here that I would not use. If any, maybe this one. Well, I'd use this for fall, but it's not my typical kind of colors, but I'm trying to get a little outside of my comfort zone because purple, pink, and blue is what I use almost all the time. And I really need to get better at using other colors. I should do like a color challenge on my YouTube where I do a different color every single week. It's not a horrible idea. I actually saw someone do that. It was, I hope I don't butcher her YouTube, Fragalicious Nails. If I can find the video, I'll link it, but, well, there's lots of them, so I probably won't do that, but you should follow her. She's amazing. And then, this is what I wanted the most on Temu, and clearly, this is what I got. I think all of these were $2 or under, which to me is amazing for stamping plates. I'm hoping that they work fabulously. So if they don't, I just wasted, you know, $10 on the whole lot. So this is, I got this one for specifically the spiders. Oh, so cute. And then we have this animal print one, which I already have one, but I don't. So I liked this one. Gosh, I hope you guys can see this okay. For these lines down the center that you can do. And then these right here. So I didn't necessarily get this for the animal print because I already have an animal print stamping plate. Oh, and then, oh, I loved this one. These are what I was interested, these shapes right here where you kind of put it like on like that. I think those would be super, super cute. In fact, I might do a mani soon with that one. I loved that one. And I had to take like, I'm not even joking, 15 to 20 plates out of my cart because I was trying to stay within a budget because I also wanted to buy some new dips and I only had a certain amount of money. So you know how it goes. So these are French tip plates. Super excited about that one. This is just my daughter looked at this one and was like, Mom, why? Why did you get this? But I thought it would be cute for like a romantic, like anniversary set or something. Especially like that and that. Not that I'm married, because I'm not, but I do have a long-term boyfriend that maybe I'll be married to someday. We'll see. This is a more, well, spring, fall, doesn't matter. It's mostly leaves and flowers. Full cover decals or full cover stamps, which I really like. So we've got some, what do you call this, patterns? Sure, we'll go with that. I don't have anything like this, so I like that one. And then this one is just like, I feel like I butcher everything. Does it say on it? Nope. Just tells me it's made in China. Like geometric shapes. I think that's what I'm trying to say, but I thought this would be really cool, especially for like a color block, like, you know, like this one or even this one, to stamp it. And actually, I was going to say a reverse stamping, but I don't think you can do that with these. You could do it with this one right here and this one right here. Anyway, okay. On to the next. Perfect. Super summer vibes. You've got pineapples, palm trees. Oh, I can't wait to use this one. Flamingos, flowers. Okay, on to the next. Oh, this is like a galaxy one. So we've got the ombre stars, which I love, and I did want one of those. Maniology has one, but I did not pick it up, so I was happy to see that this one had it. Sorry, these stickers are right over. I should have taken these off. Not over the next one. Yay. This is super cute. This would be a good one to do like those, you know, it's kind of got the brush look. So you could do that with something over it. Super cute. Okay. Back to the stickers. Yay. This one would make like the good lines across the nail, like right like that. It's really pretty. Or down the center, like something like that one or that one. Okay. We've got more summery leaves. I mean, I suppose spring, summery, either one of those would work. This one for fall. So we're all over the place with these stamps. This one is, gosh, I have to think of what you call this. A layered stamping plate. So you got the image that you put down first, which is that one, and then you use a different color and you put this one on top of it. See the birds? Okay. And it's got that throughout the whole thing with butterflies, flowers, all that jazz. This is another cool geometric shapey kind of thing. And then it's got some more of these that you can use to put the bigger part, the wider part here, and then it goes up. I don't know what I saw on my nail. Okay. Got some more patterns. We've got more leaves. Some super pretty flowers in here. And some flowers with like, I don't know. These are cute. I don't really know what to call them though. This one I was super, super fond of because it's very abstract. Gosh. You know what? I'm going to open this one because I think this is worth taking a closer look at because I saw this one and was immediately in love. Yes, there we go. See how cute that is? Super excited. This is St. Patrick's Day, which I know is past, but I was like, oh, next year, here we go. So this is just some more really cute. It's got the, whatever. I am so bad at explaining this stuff. I wish these had like names of stuff on them, but whatever. I love these kind of stamps. Little Valentine's one. I know we're pretty far off, but we got the lips, more lips. Probably wouldn't do those big lips, except maybe on my thumb. Who knows? I don't really do lips, but you never know what the future holds. And then we've got these cute little full cover ones, which I don't think would cover my nails the shape they're right now, or the length, but in the future. And a really cute dragonfly, bird, leaf thingy, fern, I don't know what you call that. Butterflies, hummingbird, super cute. Some more butterflies. I think this is pretty much all butterflies, which I'm okay with because I love butterflies. This is just a really cute stamping plate. Got the deer, clouds, trees. This is another abstract one. That's super cute. Last time I did a mani with like the box thingy look or whatever, I had to like basically take it from another stamp and then like make it into a small little square. Anyway, more Valentine's Day one. It's pretty much all I do for Valentine's Day is stamp. Like my Valentine's Day manis, which is usually like anywhere from 3 to 10, and I just stamp all like a crazy person. Another French tips, which I'm excited about. Ooh, I really like this one. And thank God we're almost done because I don't want this video to be too long, but I thought this was really cute to do. Like, you could do it across like 3 nails. Like tree, the people standing on the bridge, under an umbrella. That's so cute. And then the trees. So I thought this would be really cute because it's like a whole theme across, and you could do it across like 3 or 4 or 5, even 5 nails. So that is what we got. Thank you for watching and being here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would be super grateful if you did. And if you have, thank you. You're amazing. And I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you in the next one.